I thought it was over there, but it's over here.
It is.
It's over there.
So it wraps around into it.
It goes this way.
There we go.
Yeah, it goes all the way back into the
I
front.
thought I was right here.
There you go. You gotta dig up that corner over there so we can remove this swing joint because it's the wrong pipe. So basically you want to expose the entire fitting. See, your fitting is right.
It's right there.
Okay, so you just have to clean around the black. Clean around the black.
Right there. All right.
Okay, now all you're gonna do, carefully, just cut this
Ooh,
off.
that's it right there. Yeah.
Well, so you're gonna see the pipe goes all the way to here.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna carefully cut back and keep cutting back until you barely feel it, and then we're gonna get it off.
Gotcha.
Okay? Don't cut that fitting, or we're gonna have to extract it. You don't want to have to extract the fitting.
That would be nice.
It happens.
Water. Good. No.
At least it wasn't the one you're working on.
Pond water. It's
So
starting to go really
kind of
slow.
wiggle it, and it should. There you go. Yep, it's on.
Bingo.
See, you're good.
You hear it? Do-do-do-do.
There's this. I need to cut
Ooh.
these straps. Cut these straps.
Where's the start?
Yeah. Oh, I want you to cut all the straps because the right here. To right
wrap around.
here, so it's going to be the same length as that one.
2-3 feet.
Yeah, just because of where the placement is, it's going to be really hard to get it where we want it unless we put like a whole bunch of 90s on it. This
So
is
we
much
want-
easier. Yeah, do that.
Right there.
You know, remember, if you make it too long, you're going to be digging back to get it to fit. So
Yep.
just that's on you.
I'll cut it short.
You do what you want, as long as you can make the turn without it kinking.
Go.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead and put that guy on.
Put some dirt in the catch cut.
Hmm?
Put some dirt in the catch cut. Little. Build your home. Too good for your home. Oh, I'm ready for Happy Gilmore too.
They're making a second one?
Yeah, I'm making a second one.
All right, well, then wait a second.
July 24th or something.
This year?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, wow.
In theaters or
I hear you.
Streaming.
I think Netflix.
I didn't watch it.
Netflix of all things, huh?
Yeah.
We're not going to go directly into theaters. Careful, you just kinked it, so if you kink it, it won't get enough flow. There you go. You want to make sure you don't kink it though. There we go. There you go. Hey,
A little too long.
don't get any dirt in it. Okay, you want some better cutters?
Yes, please.
Let me find the better cutters.
Thank you. And she's tight. She's tight like a twigger. Yeah.
Never mind.
Never mind. My OCD's kicking in.
That's fine. It's okay to push it all the way home. Okay, it's got to go. It's got to go. Yep, it's got to go right there, all the way down, so that it doesn't get smashed by tires. There you go. Perfect.
Just like that.
It's still going to get run over, but if it's just below the concrete, it's going to have a less of a chance of getting broken.
Yeah, check that out.
Got the broom.
Which is room? Such a geek.
Hey, on the credits. You're gonna have to help me with this one. It's on the credits. You gotta say film by Vanessa Steve.
No. Because it looks really bad.
You are too hypercritical. I promise you, most people do a sweet job.
The hill? Oh, the head was right here. That's why it's a corner. Ah, there you are.
Well, I was gonna give you a sod saw, but never mind.
He put it back piece to piece.
It's crooked a wee bit, but shake it. Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa puff, shimmy, shimmy, pow. Still. Need a.
Hey.
Ooh!
You better have like 2 terabytes of.
Well,
Okay.
I have probably 40 gigabytes.
There we go.
Okay.
It will record probably 3 hours.
Okay.
A wee bit dirt. Bit dirt.
I don't know. I haven't removed any videos since I started recording
Oh.
about 3 weeks ago. So
Hey, that's really nice.
yeah, it could be a problem.
It could be.
Get the packet in.
You want to make sure that you have an edge, or yeah, at least a half an inch away from the edge, so that it doesn't get hit with the sod cutter.
Yeah.
Or the whatever it's called, the edger.
Edger.
Perfect. So you're not below the concrete. Just a little. There you go. Just a little bit below the concrete. Make sure the head is also level. Yep.
Great.
When I say level, not like smooth to the ground. Level is in level. So
Level
not
high.
tilted.
Oh, it's.
And if it's tilted, then it's not going to get the same distribution.
Tilting
Yeah.
a little back.
Is it?
Yeah.
So
This
it
way?
needs.
You just pull this way.
Yeah.
Okay. See, and then you just shove some
Yeah,
more
exactly.
dirt or something behind it.
Perfecto.
No, a lot of times I'll shove that between the concrete.
Right here. Just
So
like that.
like this. See how you can tip into this side.
Oh yeah.
Take this, put it along here,
Oh
push
shoot.
it down far enough in that it won't
Won't catch the edger.
Yeah, that way the edger won't catch it, and it also will never tip into the sidewalk.
Interesting.
Nice.
Now it's stuck.
I had it stuck. All right, now you can go ahead and fill it the rest of the way with some dirt, and that way it cannot tip into that side.
There you go. Excuse me.